Google's upcoming Pixel 3 series is undoubtedly the worst kept secret in recent times. And in fact, things are about to get even more interesting because, while we're still 3 days away from the New York launch, one shop in Hong Kong is already selling a fully boxed Pixel 3 XL. And in fact, I've got it right here with me. Oops. Now, before we get started, we have to apply a little skepticism here given that this is an unreleased product. But what we can say is that pretty much everything here matches the handful of leaks over the last few months. These include the overall appearance, the rear fingerprint reader, and the hilariously deep notch. It also feels well built, which further supports its authenticity. Based on what appears to be its final retail packaging, this black Pixel 3 XL features a 6.3-inch screen plus 128GB of storage space. What we don't know is what type of OLED panel is used here, but it does look good even on a sunny day. As you'd expect, this phone comes with Google's latest Android 9.0, aka Android Pie, with gesture navigation. All the software indicate that this particular unit is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 845 chipset, yet it only has 4GB of RAM, so maybe this is one of the more affordable variants. It also looks like it has a 3732 mAh battery as well, which isn't too bad. Like its similar looking predecessor and recent HTC flagships, this Pixel 3 XL also has Active Edge, which is a feature that lets you squeeze the phone to perform certain actions, such as toggling Google Assistant and muting sound alerts. As for cameras, the Pixel 3 XL is still avoiding the multi-camera trend for its 12.2 megapixel main camera on the back, which shows Google's confidence in its impressive HDR+ trick. On the contrary though, the 8 megapixel front camera here has two lenses, one for super wide shots, which is great for group photos, and the other for tighter shots for your very own selfies. We shall see what Google has to say about this. Now, while the Pixel 3 series has been leaked over and over again over the last few months, here's hoping that Google has saved us some surprises for its upcoming launch event on Tuesday. Obviously, we'll be reporting live from the New York event, so stay tuned on Engadget.com.